Hey, welcome back to Tech Nerd Archive. Did you know Windows has a built-in feature that lets you run multiple desktops all on the same PC? No extra monitors, no extra hardware, just your keyboard. Most people have never touched this feature, and honestly, that's a shame because once you start using it, it changes how you work completely. Welcome to part 3 of the Master the Win Key series, Virtual Desktops and Task View. All 4 of these shortcuts are ones most people have never seen. Let's get into it. Shortcut number 1, Win plus Tab. This opens Task View. Think of it as a bird's eye view of everything running on your PC. All your open windows laid out in front of you, and all your virtual desktops shown at the bottom of the screen. From here you can click any window to switch to it, or manage your virtual desktops. It's your control center for everything that's open. Shortcut number 2, Win plus Ctrl plus D. This creates a brand new virtual desktop instantly. Your current desktop stays exactly as it is, and you get a completely fresh, empty one to work in. Think of it like having a second desk right next to your first one. You could have your personal browsing on desktop 1, your work on desktop 2, and a project on desktop 3. All completely separate, all on the same machine. 2 down, 2 to go. And these next 2 are the ones that really tie everything together. Because once you've created multiple desktops, you need to know how to move between them and close them fast. These shortcuts make that effortless. Stay with me. Shortcut number 3, Win plus Ctrl plus left arrow or right arrow. This switches between your virtual desktops, left or right. If you have 2 or more desktops open, you can cycle through all of them without ever opening Task View. Just Win plus Ctrl and an arrow key. Left goes back, right goes forward. It's that simple. You move between them in under a second. And the last one, Win plus Ctrl plus F4. This shortcut closes the virtual desktop you're currently on. And when it closes, all the windows that were open on it don't disappear. They automatically move to the previous desktop. Nothing gets lost. So when you're done with a workspace, you don't need to go into Task View to close it. Just Win plus Ctrl plus F4 and it's gone. Clean and fast. 4 shortcuts. One feature most people don't even know Windows has. And once you start using virtual desktops, you'll wonder how you managed without them. That's part 3 done. One more part left. And part 4 is all about system and utilities. That one is coming up next. And it might be the most practical one yet. And that's it for today. If this video taught you something new, like, subscribe and ring the bell, so every new upload lands straight to you. Stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.